We're at Broadway at the beach in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're going to take you on a walk around, show you a few of the Christmas decorations we've seen up, and also talk about the store hours and more. Hi, I'm Carmen, and if you're new here and you enjoy Myrtle Beach videos, be sure to click on the subscribe and the bell so you won't miss anything new. Let's start out with one of our favorite attractions here at Broadway at the beach. This is Ripley's Aquarium. They do have a penguin habitat that's new this year in 2020. It came out earlier this year, I believe in February. And they also currently are running the Festival of the Trees. You see this large tree out here, but they have a ton of trees on the inside. And it is beautiful. It's one of our favorite things to do here at Ripley's Aquarium, so be sure to check that out. You see that helicopter going by? They do have helicopter tours that go over Broadway, and also these boats give like high-speed boat rides, and they looked like they were closed for the season, but then today we've seen them moving them around, so maybe they're open, you know, now that it's getting close to the holiday season. As you can see, they still haven't broken ground on this new section over here that's supposed to have the hangout and also the Key West shops. We look back over towards Margaritaville, the Hampton Inn. Ooh, wow, a lot of fish today. Wow, hungry fish. Oh yeah, he's getting picked on too. Brian just pointed out there's a white one there. The remnants of Dragon's Lair Golf. So here's some of the signs for the hangout, and of course that Key West section. They all say coming soon, but they're really not coming soon because they haven't broken ground yet. As I pointed out on the last tour I did here at Broadway, I actually caught them taking all of the Chris Bach signage down. And so don't know what's coming here next, but I don't think he's gonna come back next year. He didn't come this year for obvious reasons, but he originally said he was gonna come back next year, but then they would have taken all his signs down. So that's definitely gonna be something else. There's the Quickie Mart. And if you don't know this, it's associated with the Simpsons 4D experience next door, but the Quickie Mart, you can just go in because it's like a gift shop. So if you're a Simpsons fan and you're walking around here, it's definitely something to check out. Here's some of the fun Christmas decorations that they put up around Broadway. Really pretty. Got the gifts, the trees, the sign. And you'll see this throughout Broadway at the beach. They do a lovely job decorating. Down by Tiki Gems now, it's a really big gift shop. Broadway Magic, Pick a Pearl. I know some of you said you really enjoy the Pick a Pearl. Definitely a good amount of people here for A, it's off season, and B, it's really early. Like I said, not all the stores are even open yet. So we've seen quite a few people. Sweet Carolina's Low Country Grill and Smokehouse always smells so good. We haven't eaten there. If you have, leave us a comment and let us know how you like it. It always smells good. There's Yamato. That's a hibachi style steakhouse. The Fudgery. Perfect weather today. It is not hot, it's not cold, it's sunny. I love this time of the year here at Myrtle Beach. It is beautiful. And here is the beautiful main tree at Broadway at the beach. It is huge and it is beautiful and it does light up at night. And then they also have these really pretty, this is new, I don't remember seeing this last year, really pretty sort of ball arrangements in the planters. There's some more over here. It looks like the Quiet Storm Surf Shop is already open. Oh, it's after 11 now, so now pretty much everything should be open. When we first started, it wasn't quite 11 yet. We did see the XXL, that really tall ride, going earlier, and they've got the music going, so it does look like the amusements are open. Yeah, I see a bunch of employees, so let's go down here and take a look. We got this pretty fountain here. Right when you get to, this is actually Pavilion Central that we're heading into. This is where you have more of the thrill rides. There's still some somewhat kid-friendly rides like the swings and the spinner type rides, but you do have more extreme rides like the Beast, which is over here, the big yellow ride, and Speed XXL. Here's another great shot of that tree coming back from Pavilion Central. There's another helicopter tour. And there's usually some pretty cool decorations up on the bridges as well. We'll check those out in a bit. If you've been with us a while, I know you've heard me mention it before, but this used to be Liberty, and it closed down a long time ago, before this year. It was actually at the very beginning of this year, but before things happened. And they still haven't announced what's going to go back in its place, but they do have some cute decorations out in front. Here's the Grumpy Monk. We do have a review when we ate there. They are open. I will try to link that below in the description. Also hear they always play kind of loud music when the rides are officially open. I hear the music coming from Pavilion West. That's this other section, and this has more of the family-friendly rides, not just the Ferris wheel, but a lot of sort of younger family-friendly rides. And so definitely check that out if you have younger kids when you're planning your vacation. It's a good area to come with them. Love the Ferris wheel. That is a fun ride. We also have a video of us riding that. I will link that in the description below. It is a great ride with a great view. So in addition to the Ferris wheel running, they also have the carousel going, and it does look like they are staffed here, so the rides are open. Pretty fun. Looks like the ropes course is not open today, which includes the zip line. I don't know if it's closed for the whole season or just not open today. So someone lost their mask. And Wonderworks. Here's the view from the other side of Broadway. Oh, there goes XXL again, so definitely got some riders today enjoying the rides. Now we're over to Landry's and we got the Mirror Maze. They're open, and here's another cute Christmas display. Here we go up to Ron Jon Surf Shop. We got this beautiful fountain out front. Fun fact, if you didn't know, Ron Jon Surf Shop used to have a Disney store. We've got beef jerky of Myrtle Beach, Kilwins. Sweet South. Smells good. Aunt Annie's, Mr. Duck's. Ice Cream Candy over there is a fairly new store they opened this year, and as you can imagine, they have ice cream and candy. Now we're up to what they call the Avenue, and here's Hard Rock. And then across the way, I've got the American Tap House, Roosters. There's the fountain. And then this is the Avenue down here. You've got Dave & Buster's, you've got Wahlburgers, you've got Crocodile Rocks, that's dueling pianos, and Bar Louie. Also across the way, we've got Senior Frogs, Charlie's, and then sadly, the Dining Rockets has closed down, and that's permanent. And here are some of the Christmas decorations I mentioned that are usually up on the bridges. And really cute photo ops too. You can sit in these chairs, get a cute photo, family photo, and you've got the big Christmas tree in the background, as well as Speed XXL, which is kind of funny. But this is definitely a really cool photo opportunity they have here, totally free. There's a look back towards the Ferris wheel. And then there's the main Christmas tree. Over here is the Key West Grill, which is another place that closed down before things went crazy this year, and still don't know what's coming in there, and that is a large place. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.